Hi, in this video I will show you the new VANTRUE Nexus 5 camera, how it works, and how to install it. And of course, we will do a test. Enjoy! The VANTRUE Nexus 5 Cam offers exceptionally high-quality video, very simple installation, and it's easy to use. The package includes the main front camera, rear camera, USB Type-C cable, power cable, and stickers. The camera supports a micro SD card with a capacity ranging from 32 GB up to 1 TB. After inserting the card, it needs to be formatted to start recording and saving footage. The camera mounts are very stable. You can adjust almost any angle. Also, on the rear camera, now, I will show you the simple installation process. Connect the front and rear cameras using the Type-C cable. After that, plug this connector into the power source. Installation in the car takes less than 2 hours. Enjoy!